Picts have left an indelible mark on Scottish culture and history. Their legacy is evident in various aspects of modern Scotland, from place names and folklore to art and national identity. The mystery and intrigue surrounding the Picts, due in part to the scant direct historical records, have only added to their allure and cultural significance. Pictish symbols, such as those found on standing stones, have become iconic representations of Scotland's ancient past. These symbols, along with Pictish art and architecture, continue to influence contemporary Scottish art and design. The Pictish beast, for example, is a recurring motif in modern Scottish iconography. The story of the Picts, their resistance to Roman and Viking invasions, and their eventual integration into the Gaelic culture that formed the basis of early Scottish kingdom, are central themes in the narrative of Scotland's formation. This history is celebrated and explored in Scottish education, museums, and cultural institutions. Moreover, archaeological sites associated with the Picts, such as the remains of their hill forts and brochs, as well as the symbol stones, are important tourist attractions and sources of local pride. They offer tangible connections to Scotland's early history and are a testament to the Picts' architectural and artistic skills. While the Picts as a distinct people may have faded into history, their influence continues to be felt in modern Scotland, contributing to the nation's rich cultural heritage and sense of historical identity. Their legacy is a reminder of the diverse and complex tapestry of human history in the British Isles.